Hi everybody, Andrea here from Spotahome. Today we're in Valencia. We're here on the fifth floor of this building with the landlord to show the studio apartment. We are basically on the northern side of the city, just next to the Parque de Benicalap, and we're really close to the Empalme station, about 10 to 15-minute walk, so it's really easy to get around, but it takes you about 30 minutes to get to the center of the city, about 40 minutes with transportation to get to the beach. But the area is a residential area, so it's very quiet, very nice area. But let's see the studio now. We are at the entrance right here, and as soon as we go in, we have the kitchen. So let's go see that. So here you see we enter, and this is the kitchen, fully equipped. As you see, you have plates and cups at the ready. You also have the washing machine here. You see gas stove, the sink. On the other side, we have the fridge on the bottom, freezer on top, and you also have a microwave. This is the rest of the room. And moving on in the studio, we arrive to the bathroom here on the right. Here you can see the toilet. We have the sink on the right with the mirror, and on the left we have a tub that's fully closed though, so it's kind of a big shower actually. And you also have some cleaning supplies right here and towel hanger. And then we arrive to the main room, the living area slash bedroom. So here on the right you have a big bed. These are basically two single beds that make a double bed, very big, with its own nightstand. We have here the wardrobe. As you can see, there are 3 doors, so there's plenty of space for you. You have a fan right there and another one in the other corner. You have a table right here if you need to work, study, eat. Another chair, and big windows, so there's a lot of light coming in. They look on the side of the building. It's a space between buildings, so it's not on the street. So the studio is very quiet. So that's it, guys. This is the studio. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you will enjoy your time in Valencia. Bye.